to the front of any line providing vaccines in any part of the state of Texas.
Allen to promote the Save Our Seniors Initiative, statewide program aimed.
Pugface Media here. This has got to be one of the funniest things that's ever happened to me while driving. So here I was on the 15 South, coming back to Southern California from Las Vegas. Now I have a feeling this guy thought I was following too closely, which I was not, so he decides to not let me pass for his revenge. By the way, before this video started, this went on for about 10 minutes. I just didn't want to bore you. Now here you're going to see a California Highway Patrol unit rudely cut me off. Now at this point, he's not interested in pulling over that car. He just wants to get by and go past that driver. Now at this point, that driver in front of me has no idea that it's a highway patrol officer behind him. And by the way, that cop is just a few feet away from that guy's back bumper. And at about 70 miles an hour, I don't think that's a very safe thing to do. Well, there you see the highway patrol officer shined his spotlight to let that driver know to get out of the way. At this time, the highway patrol officer has no intention of pulling him over. And you see those orange lights, those are brake lights. And then bam. The highway patrol officer couldn't take it anymore. He got brake checked one too many times. And you can assume that every time you saw the highway patrol officer flash their brakes, he was probably being brake checked. And there you go. That's karma for you. Thanks for watching, and be safe on those freeways. Watch out for the road ragers.
No way. Did that kid get pulled over? No way! Did he? No. He did! Karma! Instant karma! That kid was doing at least 100 miles an hour. At least. I can't believe that. Oh, that's awesome. That's getting saved.